Hi everyone. When you look at the 2026 Harley-Davidson FAT BOY 114 Custom, Grey Dozer, you don't just see a motorcycle, you feel its presence before the engine even starts. This machine begins with the legendary foundation of the Harley-Davidson FAT BOY 114. A bike that has defined muscular American design for decades. Low-slung, bulky, unmistakable. From the factory, the Fat Boy already carries iconic proportions, solid disc wheels, and a silhouette that speaks the language of strength. But what you're looking at now goes further. Grey Dozer isn't about changing the DNA, it's about sharpening it, refining it, amplifying what was already powerful, without ever losing the character that made the Fat Boy a legend. At the rear, the stance becomes even more dominant. The standard 240 grows into a massive 260 tire, while the front rolls confidently on a bold 160. That extra width doesn't just change the numbers, it changes the attitude. The compact fenders sit tightly over the tires, visually pressing the bike closer to the asphalt. The GRP front fender and the handcrafted steel rear fender, forged and shaped by hand, create a sculpted, muscular outline. Lower, wider, more planted. And then your eyes go straight to the wheels. The original Fat Boy wheels remain, but completely reinterpreted. Where the factory finish once showed milled silver surfaces, you now see deep, smooth, glossy jet black. Not matte, not textured, but mirror-like black that absorbs light and then throws it back in reflections. Against the gray paintwork, the contrast becomes intense, almost architectural. Under sunlight, the rims glow with depth. The pulley brake system enhances the visibility of the rear wheel, creating more open surface area, more design presence, and the illusion of an even larger diameter. The wheel doesn't just support the bike, it dominates the profile. Technically, Grey Dozer backs up its visual power. A Stage 2 kit ensures not only performance refinement but also visual lowering at the rear shock. The rear drops by 30 mm, tightening the silhouette and compressing the stance. Combined with a lowered telescopic fork, the entire line of the bike becomes harmoniously horizontal, aggressive, compact, controlled. You don't just sit on this motorcycle. You sit inside its silhouette. From the rear, everything is clean. Integrated turn signals and taillights eliminate visual clutter. The medium Pro Black license plate holder keep the back view minimal and precise. Nothing distracts from the width of that 260 tire. The paintwork, a strong, industrial gray, serves as the perfect canvas. Around it, the entire machine is blacked out with discipline. Glossy black logos blend seamlessly into the tank. The flush-mounted tank cap stays subtle and clean. The engine and fork are completely black, reinforcing the dark concept. Details like the two-tone drilled airbox cover and the skull derby cover add character without breaking the visual harmony. Move to the front, and the dark philosophy continues. The old-style riser kit supports Hollywood light handlebars, creating a relaxed yet commanding riding position. Combined with the forward footrest system, you sit low, stretched, confident, as if the road belongs to you. The black satin grips and matching footrests provide tactile control through their textured surfaces. Every contact point feels direct, mechanical, honest. The black stripe LED indicators remain almost invisible beneath the instruments, until they activate. Subtle, precise, purposeful. Black axle covers front and rear, along with two-tone brake caliper covers, complete the cohesive, fully coordinated aesthetic. Grey Dozer lives on contrast, gray versus deep gloss black. Classic Fat Boy DNA versus modern execution. Brutal proportions paired with technical cleanliness. Nothing feels accidental. Every modification exists to emphasize what the Fat Boy already was, powerful. And then there's the sound. The short shot system from Jekyll and Hyde delivers the final signature. Deep, present, commanding, yet controllable at any moment. At idle, it growls with restrained authority. Under throttle, it roars with intention. This isn't noise, it's voice. The gray Dozer doesn't scream for attention. It stands there. Low, wide, silent. And the moment you start it, everyone understands. This is strength, refined. Thanks for watching.